All your project needs are finally in one place. Ceramic Techniques is pleased to announce custom building products and CTL are now vendor partners, setting the standard in the industry. Ceramic Techniques is now able to offer increased benefits when you pair Ceramic Techniques products and Customs tile installation systems. Ceramic Techniques is proud to provide our customers with preferred pricing, coordinated shipping to job sites, enhanced warranty opportunities, the industry's best performance-driven installation systems, reliable customer service, and expert technical support. Ceramic Techniques is dedicated to providing the best customer experience and custom solutions for your projects. We stand by Customs tile installation products by offering the best lifetime warranty in the industry. And as a symbol of commitment to our customers, we provide the industry's leading tile and stone information resources, ensuring you have all of the knowledge you need to make your tile installation job a success. With our end-to-end approach, we can be your dedicated resource to support you through all phases of your project. From design and programming to project logistics management, we are committed to quality, service, and value. Setting the standard with custom building products, a vendor partner of Ceramic Techniques.